car is on and nothing's working, and you see all these different little signs and everything, that's show that something's wrong. So something is wrong. So the smart thing is, because I tried to hook the OBD2 up and it can't read it. It won't register it for whatever reason. So what I did was took it to the dealer, and the dealer said that it was the ABS system. Both systems were shot. So okay, kind of believe them. So it went at it. It's expensive, but it ain't gonna be that expensive for me because I went and bought it. This is the thing here. Is what you'll need for a 2006 Lincoln Town Car. Is what we're working on. So it wasn't that hard to get off. I'm gonna walk out here and I'm gonna show it to you. First thing you're gonna need an extension, a ratchet, and a 20 Torx bit and a screwdriver. You're going to need to unscrew that, the hose clamp, and there's 3 of these bolts, or 3 of these nuts. They're all 11 millimeters. So we'll take this one off, set it out of the way. You lift that up out of the way, take the second one, and down there's the third one. Then you just pull that cover right out. Okay. Now this ain't too bad. This is what you're going to need to get to. You can do one of 2 ways. Easiest way would be to pull this clip off right here. Reach back here. There's a clip there. See that? Pull that out. And lift this harness up out of the way. See? Easy greasy. That's all you do. Oh yeah, by the way, here's your air compressor if you ever was wondering where it's at. Right underneath the air box for whatever reason. But you move that out of the way. And you see those little bolts right there? Those are 20 Torx. You got 6 of them. 3 on each side. You see where these 3 are? 1, 2, right there, and 3. There's the exact same amount on the other side. You want to screw them with your 20 Torx bit. And since I'll get back to it, I'm going to unscrew these, and then I'm going to hook it back up, and we'll see if this works. If not, then luckily, I bought this whole unit for $51. So, if it's both units that are bad, not a problem. I'll replace it too, and it's not hard at all. You got 6 of these right here. Supposedly you're supposed to have pressure underneath, but if this unit's not working, there'll be no pressure in here. But if there is, you want to screw one of these little at a time, and then if it starts shooting out real bad, tighten it back up, and then you know that's not your problem. It might be just this, or it might be something totally different. But this may be my problem, may not, but we'll see. I'll take it apart and I'll let you know. Wasn't as easy as I thought it was. Here's what you got to do. You got to undo these 2 nuts, here and here. That one over there. They're 13 millimeters. And to get to the bottom 2 things here, you have to kind of lift it up like this and position your Torx bit with the extension the best way you can. And try not to bend those lines there. Okay, once you get this off, you gotta get right up underneath here, and you gotta disconnect that with a screwdriver, a flathead, and then bam, good to go. But you gotta remember, put it all back the same way you took it out. Here we go. This is gonna be the moment of truth. And that's all it was that fucking cylinder, that sending unit.